How to add new address to Temu account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Hit towards the option of view. Now navigate to the option of address. Open it. Now from here you can easily add a new address to your Temu account. All you have to do is click on this option of add a new address. Now you have to fill this. First, you can click on this drop down and select your country. Likewise, you can type in your full name. Then type in your address name. Now type in your apartment, unit, building, floor or room, etc. This is the optional part. Likewise, type in the zip code. And then select the state, likewise city, and then type in your phone number. Then you have to check in for this option. Once you fill all this, you will be good to go. Now you can click on the option of save. If you want to set this address as your default, toggle on for the option of set as default, and with that your address will be updated. Now you will be able to find your address over here. In the case you want to edit it, you can click on this option of edit. Now you can make changes to your address. Likewise, in the case you want to delete it, you can click on the option of delete. If you want to copy it, you can click on the option of copy. Well, this way you can easily add a new address to Temu. By clicking on this option of add a new address, you can add other address to your Temu account. Well, this way you can easily add new address on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.